Main ideas about the text improves logistics efficiency. To gain an advantage over competitors, it is necessary to improve the efficiency of logistics process, taking into account continuous improvement and evaluating expenses for the final result. Strategies to minimize costs and improve the customer experience. Logistic efficiency is increased taking into account the maximum storage vertically and making fire patterns managing a good stock. Know how to examine each factor of transport that can increase or decrease expenses. The implementation of ICT taking into account the logistics management software. Greater communication is obtained and a little personnel is required. Giving feedback to the staff helps us define opportunities for improvement and to see that we are doing well to continue improving. 4. Download from the complementary material file the article, How to Compare Six-Side, Lean and the Theory of Constraints. Then read it very carefully. After that, prepare a PowerPoint presentation following the next outline. Six Sigma Theory. Reduce variation. Claims that focusing on reduction of variation will solve process and business problems. By using a set of statistical tools to understand the fluctuation of a process, management can begin to predict the expected outcome of that process. If the outcome is not satisfactory, associated tools can be used to further understand the element influences that process. B. Lean thinking. Remote waste is sometimes called lean manufacturing, the Toyota production system, or other names. Lean focuses on the removal of waste, which is defined as anything not necessary to produce the product of service. Theory of constraint. Manage constraints TOC focuses on system improvement. A system is defined as a series of interdependent processes. An analogy for a system is the chain, a group of interdependent links working together forward the overall goal. The constraint is a weak link. Similarities and difference. Similarities. Six Sigma controls, identifies, measures, less inventories, improves quality, performance. Lean thinking controls, identifies, less inventories, improves quality, performance, analysis, no value. Theory of constraint controls, identifies, measures, less inventories, improves quality, performance, analysis, no value. Difference. Independent improvement processes define less expenses. Lean thinking, less variations, eliminate residues. Theory of constraints, emphasize on speed and volume, use exciting systems. E. Obstacles to the improvement methodologies. There are major obstacles to the improvement methodologies. They address management theory as a secondary or tertiary issue. They don't address policies, either formal and informal. They don't address how managers are measured and their worth for process improvements. They don't address the general theory of management used by the organization. They don't address the organization values.